morning class 5. This is our English language class. So in our previous classes we read the story Why I Don't Wear Earrings by Malala Yousafzai. In our last class we discussed about the short questions on the story and word meaning story. Today I will going to discuss about on the reference to the context, question answers on the reference to the context on this story. So be ready with your pen and copy and write down all the question and answers. Okay. Reference to the context. Question 1. Malala is a genius girl. Who said this? Malala's class fellows said this about her. Next question. Why it was said? And the answer is Malala was used to being top of her class. Besides, she always helped other pupils in their difficulties. Even she was popular as she participated in everything like badminton, drama, cricket, art, singing, etc. Okay. So, now question number 1 is completed. Now question number 2 here. Soon it became a compulsion. I did not know how to stop. Question number 1. Who is I in these lines? Answer. Here I is referred to as Malala. Next. What became a compulsion for the speaker? Why? Malala had few toys. Among them, her favorite was pink plastic mobile phone, which Safina, her friend, liked too. Soon the phone was missing and Malala noticed that Safina was playing with it. On asking, she lied that she bought it from bazaar. Then, to take revenge, Malala also started to steal Safina's toy jewelries. For stealing was a thrill to her, but she can't stop herself after that, and it became her compulsion. 3. Which incident finally made her stop? Answer. Soon all the misdeeds of Malala was revealed. By her mother. Soon all the misdeeds of Malala was revealed by her mother. Firstly, she didn't admit her mistakes and disagreed. But soon he realized it and felt very guilty. As she remembered her first mistake, she felt that again it was repeated. This feeling finally made her stop. Question 3. Can you sell them to me for 10 rupees? Who asked this to whom? This was asked by Malala's mother to a almond seller in bazaar. Write the total incident in short. The total incident was like that. When Malala was a kid, she took a pile of almonds from a cart in bazaar without asking the seller. Her mother apologized and returned it, but the seller denied rudely. Next, why the speaker asked this? The speaker, Malala's mother, asked this because at that moment she had only 10 rupees in her purse. Next question 4. They knew you were stealing, she said. They were waiting for you to come clean, but you just kept on. I felt a terrible sinking feeling in my stomach. I walked back to my mother with my head bowed. Who is she in the first paragraph? Who is I in the second paragraph? Answer. Here in the first paragraph, she is referred to Malala's cousin Rina. In the second paragraph, I is referred to Malala. What does it mean to have a sinking feeling? When Malala came to know about the fact that her mother knew everything about her misdeed, she felt a terrible sinking feeling. That means something going to be happen bad, which make her terribly frightened. What does the phrase to come clean means? The meaning of the phrase to come clean is to confess the truth about her misdeed. Next question 5. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistake. Whose quote is this? This is a famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Who referred this quote to whom? Malala's father referred this quote to her. Why this was referred? As Malala make a mistake, after realization, she felt guilty and became sad. She thought that her misdeed made her parent dishonored in the society. In this situation, to console, her father referred this quote. Okay, this was the reference to the context. This was the question answers on reference to the context. Now, here, complete the following sentences. Oye, Malka-i-Noor wanted to be, here is the blank, Pakistan's first female army chief. B. The competition was always between me and my best friend Moniba. Safina was a pampered girl who had lots of, and here is the blank, dolls and a shoebox full of jewelry. D. My father consoled me by telling me about the mistakes great heroes made when they were children is the answer. After realization about her mistake, Malala promised not to wear any jewelry further. So, this was the questions. Now, I am going to exercise in the book. What emotions do the following words or phrases convey? Choose the correct words from the box. And the words in the box are anger, happiness, surprise, regret, annoyance. Number 1, it drives me up the wall when people talk loudly on their phones in public. So what emotion it convey? It drives me up the wall. So it is annoyance. Next, number 2, John was on cloud 9 for days after he won the competition. That is happiness. No, it is not happiness. It is surprise. Okay. Shreya was floored by all the help that she received from her neighbors when she moved into her new house. So it expressed what? Happiness. Next, number 4. I was worried that my father would bite my head off upon realizing I had broken his favorite mug. And this express what? Yes, anger. I am kicking myself for not booking tickets for the new movie yesterday. They are completely sold out now. And that is what? Regret. Express regret. So, this is the question from exercise. Okay? And now, I am going to tell you some more questions on grammar on this chapter. Here, read the sentences given below and choose the correct pronouns to replace the words in bold. I wanted my father to be proud of me. You have to choose any one pronoun from bracket. Here are 2 choice. Among these, you have to choose any one. I wanted my father. In case of my father, we should write here, I wanted him, not he. We shouldn't write like he. I wanted he to be proud of me, not that. I wanted him to be proud of me. Just like that. Next, number B. Mani walked down the road to buy some flowers. So, we should choose anyone from it, he or him. He walked down the road to buy some flowers. Next, Sharon bought 2 tickets for the movie. I or me, we have to choose anyone. I bought 2 tickets for the movie. Next, Sid gave the class a treat for his birthday. Sid gave us. From us or we have to choose anyone. Us is the right answer. Sid gave us a treat for his birthday. Next, the chef was very pleased with the New Year's dinner preparation. So, here she was, you have to choose anyone from she or her. Here, the correct answer is she. She was very pleased with the New Year's dinner preparation. Okay? And now, here, underline the error in these sentences and write the correct words in the blanks. Here. The competition was always between Moniba and I. Moniba and me is the right answer. You and me should work on the project together. You and I is the right answer. Ruchi gave the book to he. Ruchi gave the book to him. Here, her is the best teacher at this school. She is the best teacher at this school is the right answer. I will buy new clothes for all of them. The correct answer is I will buy new clothes for all of them. So, that's all for today. You all clearly read out all the question answers and remember and learn it very well. Okay? Till the next class. Bye.